Measure and cut a 12-inch piece of Wakaflex. Scribe a circle the size of the hole desired. Cut pie shapes in the middle of the hole to the edge of the circle. Fold up the triangular shapes that the cuts have created. Measure and cut a piece of Wakaflex of a sufficient length to wrap the pipe plus a minimum of 1/2 inch to make a sleeve. Cut 1-inch tabs at the bottom of the sleeve and bend the tabs outward. Attach the sleeve onto the base with triangular cuts inside the sleeve. Mold the triangles into the sleeve and the tabs of the sleeve onto the base, pressing firmly to bond the two pieces of Wakaflex together. Remove the release liner from the base. Install the flashing over the pipe and adhere the butyl strips to the roofing. Note, size of base can be increased by adding more Wakaflex. Install the roofing product around the pipe.